This is Jawad Ali and you are watching my YouTube and Facebook channel. I have been asked a frequent question that how to find a short-term trading opportunity. Let's move to the live trading session and learn the short-term trading strategy. You can see the different currency charts over here, and mainly I am on a USD JPY, and actually I'm now trying to find a gap where I can jump and exit from the market. Actually you need to find a little bit gap where a retracement zone is going to start. You can see the USD JPY, it already made several bearish candles. It already on a 14549. Let me have a look on USD CHF. It is in a tight channel. Pound USD, it is, no, I don't think that in a in a day one, no, I don't think that in pound we can find the opportunity. Euro USD, let me have a look in a 4 hour. Let's zoom out. Yes, in Euro USD we can find the retracement zone. If we look in a broader view, USD JPY again in a 4 hour, I think that we can go for the USD JPY because it can retrace itself. It is 104,205 and it is floating on a 104,556 now. So we can open a trade in a USD JPY. In a broader aspect, we can have a look on a day one. This is for yourself that you can see it can hit somewhere 104,200 and 299 on its last support level, and it is already on a 10456 somewhere around. Let's have a look, a closer look. I zoomed in now. It's a day one chart, so let me draw a chart over here. Here you can see now that what I was talking about. I think that we can go for the USD JPY and we can pull up some amount in it. Let's have a look, and let me place the order please, because it's a live trading session and it's a live recording, so I can't wait for it. And here we go. Now you can see the 40-cent lot which I placed now. Let me give you a closer look in a 1 hour. You can see it's on a 0 profit and loss 1 hour chart. You can see now. Let's have a look. Let's have a closer look on it. Its commission is 1.10 somewhere around, and overall profit loss 0.58. In a 4 hour you can have a look on it. Now it start retracement. Okay, I will try to quickly exit from it, and I'm now going to place a pending order which we call a buy limit, because let's suppose if it will go more down, so my pending order will hit, and I'm trying to pull up some gap from it and a profit. That will be again a 40-cent lot which will be a pending order, and I don't feel that it is going to hit, but on a safer side I can do it. Here we go. Now you have the one pending order. Let's have a closer look. A 40-cent lot, 104,200 is my pending order, and currently the market is on 104,557 levels. Let's see what happened. And in a gold, in a crude, in a Brent, I think it will be the right opportunity, and soon we will have some profit. That is why I placed a 0.40 cent lot. So if there will be some like 20, 30, 40, 50, $80, so I will be quit now. You can have a look on it after few hours, like I think after 8 or 9 hours. You can see that there is a $84 a profit. I didn't made such a long video. It's a very short video for your understanding, especially for my students that who ask me like this kind of questions very frequently. So it's for those especially that who are looking for the short-term opportunity and short-term trading strategy. Have a look on it. Pound, euro. I always recommend you to keep watching other charts. As I told you that euro can float, you can see over here it fell down. We can also place the sell over there where we were. Pound is, I don't think that it's fair. It's good enough. USD CHF, that is always go against the euro, you know that. USD JPY, Australian, New Zealand, gold, yeah, it just moved 5 or 10 pips. Crude, snooze. Barrett, that is also quite. And one thing more that people ask me that why USD JPY moves too much, because it's a very lighter currency and it's a D value actually. So that is why it has lot of movements. Like you can see the price is 104.863. So it can easily go upwards and go downwards. So this is the main reason behind that. USD JPY, I think it's fair enough. 85.39 is somewhere around the profit, and I think we should close, and I think it's pretty much good. After some hours it's safe, and you can see the pending order is still over there. It didn't hit. It's start moving from there where I placed the order. It's a short term, very short term. Wait for such kind of opportunity where you can find the retracement level. And I think that first of all I should close the pending order. I think that I will do it. Now I'm going to quit, please. Let's have a look. $86.86 pounds is a profit. Let's close it. And I think I should now. Yes. The candle movement is breaking up. I should close it now. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in a comment section.